Today I'm going to be reviewing TELONIXIUM's mini projector. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's a nice little package here. Just to manage expectations, the outer casing is plastic. I've had other ones. It feels a little bit more substantial than that. But what's really, really nice is you get this case. It fits right into here behind the strap, just like that. And what's nice, it has everything you need. This does support 4K. You can do outdoor movies, 1920 by 1080. Hook it up to your phone, your laptop, your computer, and project. This is an Amazon choice, gets 4.7 stars, and last month 600 plus of these were bought. Let's take a look. All right, so here is the projector. Just know I've had this before on an even smaller one. The cords, because these are very light, it can tip over very easily. Keep that in mind. You can focus through up here. As you can see, I just have this over here just to give you an idea of what it looks like. This will actually do keystone correction. You got to use the remote for that to get that to work. You can use HDMI right there if you want. This is what you have on the back. You can do USB right there, and you even have phono out, so you got sound, and you get sound on this. So as far as the picture, not too bad. Actually, as you go up a little further, it gets a little bit more focused. Well, this is not a very big picture, probably about 30 inches. This can go up to 300. Just manage your expectation knowing that it is a plastic casing. This is not like a $500 or $1,000+ projector, but for kids and everything, for the price, to have this for your video games, a second monitor, stuff like that for portable use, I think this is perfect. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.